Morning. Today's lecture we want to learn how to connect resistors in series but on breadboard and how current is being measured. But she will go step by step on how resistors are being arranged on the breadboard. So we took our resistors on the breadboard and we'll arrange them in series. In this line here, this is how continuity are connected in continuity in this line A, B, C to E. So you connect the resistance series like this. Then we take the strappers and connect positive to the resistor which is in this position here, and negative to negative side. And we will set this on 10 voltage, and then we will power the power on the breadboard. So negative to negative, positive to positive. So after mounting the resistors on the breadboard in series, we have to measure the current. So this is how we'll do. We see this one and put this one here. Then we set the multimeter accordingly here. Then you place we measure the current. Always current is being measured in series. So you connect the multimeter and set like that and measure the current. Since current is the same in series, so we'll know here. This is our multimeter and current is being measured here. So the current supply in this breadboard is 0.6, around 680 there. Yeah, this is how we measure current when we have mounted the resistors in series like this. So our lesson today is end here. Thank you.